good at that. So, we're going to cut bits of wood for the bed. Elizabeth's helping me tonight. Hello, Elizabeth.
Hello.
After I'm done playing the saw. So we've cut one already. Elizabeth's.
What length are you cutting them to?
So we're cutting them to 2,775 millimetres long.
Perfect.
Because that is the length of the bed. They are scaffold boards, so they are some amount long. They are 3 metres long. So we're going to cut them to 2,775, which is there. So I need these ones. I'm going to have to take the metal banding off the other end, but this one's got a split in this end, so we'll try and lose as much of this end as we can. How's that going for you, Elizabeth?
Yeah, good.
Get some fire protection. It's so murky. Safety third. I've actually done a little bit over, just in case they shrink. Oh, like we worked it out, would you believe? Only a couple more to cut. As predicted, the bed is already making a good workbench. And it will be a shelf.
Yeah.
I pull a funny face when I do that?
I didn't notice.
Oh, that's firewood. Right, so that is it. The boards are cut to the right length, not to the right width yet. I've still got to cut all of them down, get that middle one in, get them all the same size. It will look nice. I think that's going to look really smart. Sorry, it's been a little bit of time to be able to finish this video, to be fair. Just been really busy with other stuff, but hopefully now I'm break up for Christmas in 3 days, and then I can spend a couple of days on it, getting that back all finished off, get it lifted up on the ramp, get it all welded up, and I'll take videos of all of that, show you guys. Got this new Ali fuel tank. Ali's bought one. Gonna mount it under there somewhere on the chassis, probably using the existing brackets from the other side, but make a little cage for it, hold it in there. I think it'll look really smart. Probably gonna change the filler, I don't know, come out somewhere probably just behind this wing here. But I think the bed looks pretty good at the minute. I've also sorted out a battery box, which is in there, which I'm going to run the cable to. I'm just waiting for the Optima to turn up for that. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm enjoying filming them. Just getting round to filming them's the hardest bit, but I'm slowly getting into the groove of it. Like I say, I'll take videos of all welding up the bed, bolting it all on properly, doing the wiring. Yeah, I think it will look really cool. I really like it. I really like it a lot. I think it's a nice shape, the 404. But yeah, and click the bell icon so you get notifications when my new videos do come out. I'm going to try and do one a month. I know it doesn't sound like much, but it's quite a lot to fit it all in, get it edited, and you know, if it really does, if you guys really enjoy it, then I will do some more. I'm also thinking about doing videos on other stuff, because I do get involved with quite a lot of other stuff, other projects down the workshop. And I reckon that a lot of you guys would be interested in not just Unimogs, but other things that I get up to, big stuff and welding up and other little projects. And yeah, do a lot of machining as well. That is my job. So it'd be nice to get I've been thinking about getting a little lathe down here, just so I can do some turning and maybe film some of that as well, because I think that is another thing that people are interested in learning about. And yeah, I've done it for 10 years now, so maybe I've got something to show people. Alright guys, thank you very much. Have a good Christmas.